Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. So.
No, it's okay. I got it. I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
Hey, listen here, bastard.
No, you didn't do shit.
Yes, I did. And
What did you do, bro?
I was fighting that whole time. The whole time I said I'm dying, I'm sitting here shooting at her.
That's crazy.
Oh.
I didn't see a goddamn second of that.
Okay. Yeah. Main attack, I think, has that. It can be replaced by something. What are lunar items? Those are the blue ones?
Yeah.
Oh, you're
Yeah, fuck off.
literally sucking. Oh my god, that's fine. Like, that's super cool. But, like, straight up not shit.
That's tough. Sorry, man.
All because you're faster.
That is true. Should have picked a faster guy, I'm telling you.
Yeah. No, that's whatever. You like weird shit. I'm into weird shit.
Oh.
We have a lot of people spawning.
I know. That's good for us because we can get loot faster.
I'm gonna pick up a ukulele because I got a better cock. Oh.
I swear to God if I fucking die.
Ed's getting low.
Nope, I'm good.
I think there's a trial of the mountain over here.
You know what we do with those, right?
We start those.
We do them.
Yeah. Ed.
I'm good.
I won't be able to chum if you die.
We have to start that thing by like 3 minutes. It takes 90 seconds for it to. It's over here. I found it.
Alright. You just want to start it?
We might as well.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah, you can start it. I'm close enough. I feel like the fucking beetle one's actually kind of one of the harder ones to get right now.
I got this one over here. Just take care of the other one.
Oh! Oh, I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. No, get out of there. Get out of there.
I'm trying. Oh, they launched him in the sky?
Just stay on the top and just kill the floaty things. I'll kill the beetle. Kill anything that's like floating and shooting at me.
God damn, shit's not missing, bruh.
She should be dead here shortly. There we go. Okay.
Oh.
Are you alive?
Yeah, I gotta run. I gotta beat feet, Ed. Alright.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it, so.
No, it's okay. I got it. I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
Hey, listen here, bastard.
No, you didn't do shit.
Yes, I did. Ed.
What did you do, bro?
I was fighting that whole time. The whole time I said I'm dying, I'm sitting here shooting at her.
That's crazy.
Oh.
I didn't see a goddamn second of that.
Okay. Yeah. Alright.
No, don't pull us. I'm trying to get as much loot.
I don't need to pull this. I need to get loot. I was actually gonna say, like, we should probably try to scavenge a little bit. How many stages is 20 stages? That's a lot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's tough. I got a little drone.
You can honestly get those shrines if you want, because I'm not touching that shit. Shrines are the bane of my existence.
This motherfucker Ed went and took another purple for himself, huh?
I did.
He's crazy for that.
Yeah, I killed both the bosses for you.
You did not, Ed. Chill
I
the
did.
fuck out. No, you
That's
didn't.
Yes, I did.
No. Let's check our damage. How do I do this? How do I check my damage right now, Ed? Don't.
Oh, that's crazy because I was in the midst of the battle while you little
Ed!
grimy little
Ed,
ass,
I have it
was
recorded.
dying.
I was dying, but I was shooting the entire time. Don't sit here and cap on me like that.
The only thing I'm capping right now
Yeah,
is the
no,
fact that
you're
you
capping
don't know
all
how
my
to play this
cock.
game.
Yeah, no. I got low and I said, oh shit, I'm dying. Then I got launched to the sky. Meanwhile, the whole time I'm sitting there shooting at her, trying to get back to the ground.
Listen here, you little fucking shit, alright?
I'm sorry that your character is invulnerable from taking damage for 90% of everything. I'm sorry you play a pussy character, Ed. That's not my fault.
Oh, no. I'm just playing a better character than you because you clearly don't know how to play Commando. I'm ready to go if you are.
I just need to grab... I'm gonna see if I can grab this one more time. Oh, I need more money. How do I get up to the
There's
top?
a shrine of money over there. Shrine of blood.
Yeah,
Over there.
I can't get up there.
Crazy. If you were samurai, you could.
Yeah, but Samurai's also kind of like a bitch-made character, so it's like really weird to play.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Listen here,
I
you
know that
little
might come
fuck.
as a surprise, but like
You know what? I'm pulling us.
he's kind of bitch-made.
I'm pulling us.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Crazy. Because I'm about to.
I wouldn't do that, Ed. Ed, you just know that by the end of this, I'm gonna have more damage than you. My character's gonna be going off. I'm gonna have more items than you. I'm gonna have a fatter.
Is that what they're saying?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
You're just worried, Ed.
See, I told you, man. You're doing way better luck with that shit.
You can pull us.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you'd like that, wouldn't you? Little fuckstick.
I could have bought another drone for us, but I decided not to.
Oh, that's crazy. You would rather help yourself than help the team.
I'd rather us lose right now than
Oh.
help you.
Alright, you know what? Fucker. I don't want to play Risk of Rain with you anymore. Look at that. I'm insane. And the amount of time that took you to kill one person, I killed
Ed,
3.
I was helping you kill those motherfuckers. Shut the hell up. In the amount of time it took me to kill one person, I looked over and none of them were dead, so I had to help you, huh?
Oh my.
I said, oh shit, Ed can't kill a single dude on his own. Yeah, let me do that for him. Let me
Oh,
take that.
did you see that? I didn't think so. Because I'm
sorry.
fast as fuck, boy.
I decided to turn on my Adjurian
Blockers?
eyesight. Yeah, no, my Adjurian eyesight where he only sees half of what's going on.
Why would you say my last name like that? While you're recording, you're toxic.
Yeah, fuck you.
Go get that equipment, you fucking rat, you little piece of dick.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Toxic. By the end of it, we need to remember to get like an equipment that can actually help us fight the boss.
All right. There's 2 equipment barrels over here. I brought the shell or the power cells. I'm trying to get Rex.
You brought both of them, or just your?
I just brought one. I just brought mine. But if I unlock it for me, I'm sure it unlocks for you.
I don't know how that shit works.
We'll just give it a shot.
Oh shit! I gotta go get my food. I shouldn't have started playing this until my food was done. That was probably a bad idea on my part, but forget it.
That's tough.
Yeah, I'll be right back. Quick as fuck. Oh, they think they can stop me, Ed, but they can't.
They can't, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm already shooting fast. I'm already bricked up.
Oh! He's dicked up, bricked up, thicked up.
Yes, sir. I need more ukuleles.
I need more cock in my mouth. I mean, what?
Whoa.
Whoa. I'm insane.
Ed's over here fighting the entire fucking world on his own. Hasn't bought a single drone. All the crates are gone. All the crates are gone, but not a single drone in his entire path has been picked up. Or not all the drones. All the chests are gone, but not a single drone in his entire path has been picked up. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
That's crazy.
I didn't have money for those drones, but I definitely had money for these chests.
Yeah.
There's at least like 3 left for
How the
you.
fuck did you already get a red item?
I just opened a box, dude. I opened a chest. I got lucky.
I found the teleporter.
There's a purple item over here, and then there's a chest over here.
I'm on my way.
There's also another chest over here. There's another chest over here.
Start getting
There, go here. Follow the loop around this place. There's like loot on the backside over here.
Let's see here.
Alright, I'll take care of them. Alright, relax.
You have insta-kill already, or do you have something that's like...
I have insta-kill, yeah, but I have, the... what's it called? I can't remember the name of it. The fucking bazooka. The red bazooka.
Yeah.
The behemoth.
Ooh.
Brilliant behemoth.
Polyloot. I'm a fan of Polyloot.
Ollie want a cracker loot?
I love Polyloot, bro. I don't think there's
All
many
Poly
items
your
better than
loot.
Polyloot.
Ow.
Alright, now we're schmoving. Let's see. More chests. There's another chest over here. What's this one? Ooh, that guy's kind of hefty. I definitely need to get that little tornado shit that you got.
Which one? The... Oh, the
tornado shit.
the diamond bands or whatever?
Yeah. Let's do...
There's a chest over here too. Did you get the tricorn?
Yeah, I have one.
The ahoy.
Oh shit. Ed started the boss because he said, well, he's got a drag one, let me get this shit instead of... That's
I don't have a tricorn. I just said, fuck yeah.
Hey, whoa! Don't do that. Let me kill this guy. Ed, don't be toxic.
Oh, I'm toxic, eh?
Give me that yellow.
Oh, did you get him?
Yes. Oh, damn, he fucking got him? How did he do that?
Oh my! How do you do that with the tricorn?
You have a yellow here.
Oh, sick. You can have it because you know you had a tricorn and.
Oh, you gotta go.
Oh, did you see that?
Oh, I didn't.
Oh, you got a yellow and a green, huh? Crazy.
Listen, I had to use an equipment. Equipment.
Ahoy!
Yeah, now I got a Ahoy. You find an Ahoy bot, I'll set that shit up.
I like how we don't even call them an equipment bot anymore. They're the Ahoy bot. Hey, Milo. Is the baby tired? Oh.
I'm sure there's a way to reduce or like increase. Is there an item that increases accuracy?
No, there isn't.
Wish that
I've been looking for one and there isn't.
because like on Commando, his accuracy after a certain amount of time is pretty bad.
You're supposed to like shoot him for, I don't know, 10 or so rounds and then reduce, or like get really close and personal with Commando.
Alright, I'm gonna go. I know.
Oh, do you wanna go
there's-
pick up another equipment drone or equipment thing?
Yeah, and I know where there's another chest that I wanted to grab. Wait,
Did
wasn't there some shit that we could do on this map? Yeah, that one.
No, that was the 2-ring thing. I know what you're talking about. Here, JT, there's another equipment thing over here.
Are you not gonna pick one up?
I have the cells, bro.
Oh yeah, you're trying to get another character. I thought the fuel cells is how you got.
No, it's the cell off the back of the thing.
Right. I thought that's how you got that poisony dude.
Yeah.
You already have him, right?
No. Oh, no. That's for it. Acrid is for beating the cells. Do you remember that little, like, void challenge that we did?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was for beating that. I did that one.
Oh, you beat it.
Mm-hmm.
Was it hard?
I did it relatively fast. I tried to do it as soon as possible. So I had it on the medium difficulty. There's another purple right over there.
We want. I don't really care about insta kill goggles right now, but I do want to
The Wungus.
Damn, these boys don't know about me yet. These boys don't know about me yet.
What you know about me? What you know about me? Of course. Trying a chance. Doesn't give me the thing that I want.
Alright, next screen I get is going into the fire band, I think.
Everything was fine until the Fire Nation attacked.
It was fine.
Are you chained?
What is attacking me now? Oh shit, there's a lot. So you're not a big Polyloop guy.
No, I just think the proc on it isn't really great.
Yeah, that's weird.
It just doesn't make sense to me. Oh, bug! I'm dead.
No, what happened to you?
I used the purple. I tried to open up a purple item and I forgot I had the cells on my back.
Oh no.
Yeah.
So now I gotta clutch up a little bit.
Dude, you'll be fine. Look at you.
Yeah. Alright. Did you find
So
the
much for-
teleporter yet?
It's right there. Right in front of you, to your left. Yeah. Just get all that
Oh,
loot.
what? 312.
It's 112, 312.
Red. I'm also going to grab you. Can I get-
Oh, what was that?
I don't know. Shit starts acting weird once people die, bro. Starts like trying to throw for you. Oh! Fucking die! Holy hell.
Damn, dude. Your fire rates are ridiculous.
Them little, I don't know what that like thing is, but them blue fuckers are kind of hefty.
Which one? The blue...
Or like, it's like a
Oh, did you get the
buff.
purple thing that I dropped?
Yeah, it's like a buff that's next, like on that can be on them.
Oh, the ice elites?
Yeah, they are healthy. They were fed corn growing up, I can tell.
Oh my god.
Corn
Big
fed.
Indiana boys. Indiana boys. Them Indiana boys. Be right back.
Oh, there's a lot of chests over here. Holy fuck. Oh, I think I had to. Do I have to get to that chest in a specific amount of time?
Oh my, look at JT stacked up. Dog. You're insane. Oh my, fuck you.
Alright. Where is this? I think that's it, right? Oh, chest. found a chest with a timer on it. You know what that is? Let's do. Alright. I kind of shouldn't get Renard. Eek! Chest over here. Let's do this one, I suppose. And then there's something up here. Fuck.
What's that?
BRB. I need you to keep me safe.
Oh my god, bro. I literally sat down. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, JT. Hello? JT?